Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how can you sell your course or courses on your own website. Why I feel this is a great idea. Why isn't a great idea to try and sell your course on somebody else's platform? I've got a ton of experience in this. Going to be trying to share it with you. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So, why should you and why is it a great idea to try and sell your membership on your own website? Now, at the beginning of 2025, there is an increasing amount of social media, also YouTube, and just a load of different platforms trying to encourage you to sell your courses on their platform. From SAS, Kajabi, um, Thinkific, Podio to YouTube. Now you can sell membership subscriptions on YouTube. You've got a number of these platforms that are attempting to tempt you to sell your courses, build your website and sell your courses on their platform. And you've also got kind of marketplaces and hybrids, which supposedly allow you to build the website easily and also offer a marketplace school. It comes to mind when it comes to this. I think if you're really gonna serious about this and you really want to build a business that can really generate some good income for you and make the whole process worthwhile, you've really got to separate your membership website from your marketing activities on other people's platforms. Trying to market yourself on social media platforms, on YouTube, is a great strategy to generate traffic to your website, which then there are basically two objectives when you get people to your website. That first of all is get them to sign up to some form of email list. And secondly, to try and sell them a course, basically, and for you to communicate the benefits to your target student base. They are the two main objectives. Now, there are quite a few of these platforms, depending on which one, the type, the marketplace compared to the SaaS system. Quite a few of these marketplace setups, they don't share the email list with you. Um, this is really bad news, right? Others you can, but I think personally you've got to have as much control over your course as possible. I've known so many entrepreneurs, online entrepreneurs, build something on somebody else's platform, and then there's been a change in the business model of the platform, that the entrepreneur's fallen out, has somehow broken the terms and conditions of the platform, and they've found that they've lost their audience. The more control you have, the better this is going to go, in my opinion, right? So I think at the present moment, the ease of building with the maximum control that you can get, the sweet spot is WordPress. With decent hosting, with the right plugin selection, you can build a great membership course business on WordPress and have the maximum control over your business. And that's my honest opinion here. Now, what a lot of people, for understandable reasons, is there's a lot of balls that you've got to have in the air and juggling. when you're building your first course. You've got to have a decent website. You've got to you've got to build the course, the syllabus. But the thing that a lot of people forget, which should be off top of mind, is I've got to build my online tribe. I've got to build an audience. I've got to attract my first student base that might buy my course. But I don't want to overstress this because, yeah, there's nothing wrong with ambition. There's nothing wrong in seeing that you're going to have hundreds of students, which is totally possible. But when you're starting on this journey, what you really got to pare down your expectations because you're going to get easily overwhelmed. What you got to look for is a small student base to try your first course out, which I call your minimum viable course, to sort out the bugs, but also get the feedback from this initial smaller student base, which you've offered a great offer to them in exchange that they get really involved and do the course and give you some great feedback. This feedback enables you to hone the core messages of your landing pages and your home page, and also hone the effectiveness of the first course that you're building. So this is a really important step and a step that you must go through that will be the fundamental building block that will allow you to move on and to build something that is sustainable, that really helps your student base and really continue your journey on your online e-learning business. So you can't run before you walk, and too many people get kind of carried away. And that's why they build what I call a kind of war and peace course, because they're mentally they're running before they even walked. So the things kind of get jumbled up and mixed up. But what you want to understand is step by step. And that leads to a reduction in risk. And it really means that you are on the path to success. Now, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to the YouTube channel because that really tells YouTube that I'm doing something right. Give us a thumbs up as well. Any other questions you've got, just put them in the comments underneath the video, and I try and reply to all comments sent through the videos. And I'll be back soon with another video helping you on your membership journey in 2025. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.